those who can, I'm telling you right now, ano ba mangyayari in our society right now? Those people who knows how to market and sell, they will never go hungry, right? Whether it is marketing and selling for your own business, or you can help someone else in their marketing and selling. Because remember, in our training and in my past videos, I always talk about yung three, right, where the money is, right? There are basically, we can divide yung our society, the way our job, our businesses, our contribution in our society, you can divide it into three. Number one, yung administrative task. Okay? Administrative task, meaning, ito yung mga easy to do task that even college students can do, repetitive tasks and all. It doesn't require really a lot of creativity. Normally, they are the one who make less money, right? Like picking up the phone, whether you are a delivery person, right? It doesn't really require a lot of thinking. So that is a problem. Again, we are not saying that they're not important. We are not saying na hindi sila hardworking or hindi sila masisipag na tao. But any job or task that doesn't require a lot of thinking or creativity normally, and then repetitive lang, normally they're the easiest and the cheapest. If any business owner, they know that they can get a lot of people doing those tasks. The second one, again, is the technical stuff. Ito, there's a little bit of kinakailangan meron ka ng certain skills, meron ka ng certain specialization. Not a lot of people can do what you do. It requires some thinking. So this is technical stuff, right? Engineer, architect, computer programmer, right? And all those things, nurses, right? So all those things. And number three, and the highest paid among all, are those people who can market and sell. Market and sell, whether online, whether over the web, or rather over the telephone, over face-to-face, selling, any form of marketing and selling. Because remember guys, kung walang pera, wala pong negosyo. And every business out there, any entrepreneurs out there will tell you how important the selling and marketing is. Okay? Because wala pong business operation, walang HR, walang accounting, walang customer service department, lahat po yun ay wala kung walang pumapasok na pera sa negosyo. Very, very important to remind yourself. That is why in our training, I always teach you how to effectively market and sell, especially in our generation. So you don't want to sell like the one like the style of selling that was taught back in the 80s, where you push people until mag-give up, until mag-give in, right? With a lot of manipulation and persuasion and all those things until mag-give up na sila. Okay, here's take my money. Hindi po yun natin naturo natin. Number one is marketing, right? Developing yung kilite principle, know, like, and trust. How to make people know you, like you, and trust you. And of course, ultimately, offering them a really good offers that it is irresistible, that it is hard for them to say no. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.